Hey, Brett with ReconRobotics here to show you our new TacPack for your Throwbot robot. We want to make sure that your Throwbot robot is always ready to help keep you and your team safe. Let's check it out. The TacPack comes in black, multicam, Ranger green, or Coyote. You can carry it either using the harness as I am now, or you can attach it directly onto your kit, either using the clips or remove the back panel and use the Velcro backing. Simply pull the quick release tab to deploy your robot. Your OCU controller is stored in the main compartment here, which fits all past and present controller models. Some operators even put a strip of Velcro in the back, allowing you to go hands-free. We know that a robot operator is often more than just a robot operator, and so the TacPack is designed for modularity and utility. In the main compartment, there's additional sleeves for maps and other documents. On the front of the pack, we have 2 additional pockets and another strip of Velcro for your necessities, like tourniquets. There's even a removable mag pouch in the back for spare magazines. There's an access port where you can either connect a battery charger or connect your Throwbot robot system to a tactical radio. The TacPack is an innovative way to keep your Throwbot robot with your team when and where you need it. Stay safe.